All right, welcome back, viewers. So, what do we got today? We got a can of Fix Flat, or rather, Supertech Tire sealant. Now, if you notice, my tire over here is very flat. I filled up this tire several times, and I tried to find a nail or anything. There is no nails in the tire. Determined that it's either maybe the valve stem is going out or the sidewall is getting a little dry rotted, which is perfect for this tire sealant. It'll seal small holes and stuff like that. Now, the proper way to do this would not just to be to put this tire sealant right into this and let it sit and fill up the tire. It's not going to work that way, and you're actually going to cause more problems down the road. So what you're going to want to actually do first is actually put the tire sealant in first. Give the can a good shake. Insert it into the valve stem. You're going to hear it leaking out. That's the air from the tire. Turn it up. You want to spray the spray foam into the tire. Give it a spray shake every now and then. It's not going to fill up this tire because it was completely flat, but that's okay. Now at this point, fill up the tire and fill it up with air. Take it off. Now a lot of people would think they're done and just let it sit, and that's going to cause a lot of problems, because all that Fix-A-Flat stuff will do is start pooling in the bottom of that tire, and then you'll be left with a chunk of Fix-A-Flat on the bottom of the tire. It'll become unbalanced, and it's going to cause a lot of major. Once you get all that done, you want to jump in the car, go for a ride, get that stuff spinning around, and it'll seal all the cracks and holes in there. Next time you have a flat, give it a try. It might just work for you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.